Alright, public service announcement for you FRS and BRZ owners. You have issues with putting into gear, first gear and second gear. Alright, I got a fix, okay? You don't have to buy any fluids or bring it to the dealer. Okay, so the issue is this reverse lockout detent. This plate here is preventing you from going into first gear, alright, because this plate shifts left and right, and it's shifted too much to the right, and it prevents you from going to first or second. Really hard. So reverse is right here. Here's the collar as I pull the lockout. Goes in just right. See that? And then when you go in first, it hits it. You gotta like really slam it hard, and you don't want to bend that bracket. So we're gonna do something real quick, and I'll show you how. Okay, so I've loosened the 10mm bolts. Shifted the plate a little to the left. As you can see, there's a gap now where the slots are, and we're going to test it out. First is reverse. Okay, it goes over the detent right there. Alright, now we're going to do first gear. Goes in smoothly. Second gear, easy. See? All gears. No issues. No wasting fluid or other kind of mods or bring it to the dealer. Save your money. Open it up, loosen those bolts, and shift it to the left, and you got first and second gear back. Have a good day.